Welcome guys. Now here in the home tab you will find the slide section. Okay, first of all, if I just click on this, click to add title, if I just click on this text, you can see I can write my title here. Okay, I will write PowerPoint for beginner. Okay, and I can also add my subtitle here. I will add powered by simple learn. Okay, now here you can see I cannot add text here. Okay, for example, if I want to add text here, I am not able to add it here. Okay, but I can move my text box here. Okay, for example, if I just select this text box, I can just move this text box here, and now here I can increase or decrease the size of my text box. For example, if I want to decrease the size, I'll just decrease it, and if I want to make it more narrow, I'll just decrease the size. Now make sure, if you want your title to be in one line, make sure just increase the width of your text box. Now just move the text box to somewhere you want. Okay, like this. You can do the same thing with the subtitle here. Okay, now what if you want title and content? Now here you can see it only have title and subtitle, but if you want to add title and content, what you will do? Okay, you will just click on this new slide. Okay, just select the title and content. Okay, now here you can add your title, PowerPoint. Okay, and you can add your content here. Okay, after that, here if I just click on this new slide, here you will see we have 9 slides. First is title slide. This one is the one above which I already showed you. Second one is title and content. Here you can add your title and also add your content. Okay, the third one is section header. Fourth one is to content. If you want to add to content, then select this one. And next one is comparison. Okay, if you want to create comparison of something, just select this comparison one. First of all, add your title and add your subtitles, and then write a text about the comparison. Okay, other thing here you will see is title only. You will also find this blank one. Now here in blank one, you have to add your own stuff. For example, you have to add your own images, videos using this insert tab. Okay, we will take a look at this later. Okay, the next one is content with caption, and the last one is picture with caption. Now you can use any of this which you would like. Okay, now if you want to delete any of this slide, for example, if I don't want this comparison slide, what I will do, I will just select this comparison slide and then click on delete. Again, if I just click on delete button, it will also delete this one. Okay, now if I want to convert this slide into the slide of content and title, now here you can see this one have subtitle and title, and I want to convert this into title and content one. I want to add content to this slide. So how I can do that? The one way is to just create a new slide of title and content, and the easiest way and the most simple way, just click on this layout, make sure your slide is selected which you want to convert, and then click on the second thing, title and content. And if you want to change this slide into comparison slide, just click on this comparison one. I will just click on this title and content. Here you can see this is our title and here it is our content. And if you want to add more content, you can easily do that. Okay, you can add more content here. I will delete this. Okay, like this. Again, I will change the layout of this to the title slide. Okay, now we will take a look at the reset later in our upcoming videos. First of all, let's take a look at the sections. Now for example, I have lots of slides here. Okay, I will create lots of slides here. Now just for example, it is very hard to manage all these slides in one place. Okay, we will get confused a lot. So how we can remove this confusion? The easiest way is to add slides into section. Okay, for example, the first 3 slides are for introduction. So what I will do, I will select the first slide and I will click on section and click on add section. Okay, now here you can see all of these slides is in one section, but I only want the first 3 to be in the first section of intro. First of all, I will change the title of this section to intro. Okay, and click on rename. Okay, now you can see we only want the first three to be in this intro section. So what I will do, I will leave first three and I will click on fourth slide, and again I will create another section, and this time I will name it as get start. Okay, now you can see these slides is in this get start section, and these three slides is in intro section. Okay, and if I just want to work on introduction slides, I'll just expand this intro slides and I will work on it. Once I am done working on this introduction slide, I will just collapse it and I will open or expand the get start section. I can work on it now. Okay, other thing here you can do is, for example, if I just click on this section here, if I want to expand all of this slide, I will just click on this expand all of this slide. It will expand all of the slide for you. And if you want to collapse all the slide, just click on collapse all. Okay, it will collapse all the slide. Okay, now if you want to remove all this section, just click on this section and click on remove all section. It will remove all the section and you will see all of your slides here.